hummingbird.
It looks like it's mixed with parakeet. From the color.
No. He don't want me to pick him up.
Maybe water.
No, they can just blew and broke its wing into the window.
No, you got a bottle cap, like a little bottle cap.
And over here. Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. Nope. Yeah, it's good.
Oh no. Too much. It gets slowly. Downwards. No. Are you gonna fly? Are you gonna fly? A box?
Yeah, you can put it.
You got a little.
Tweety bird.
No. His name is not. Look at his colors. Look at his fine.
He's green.
He's green and yellow. Oh, are you gonna fly? Or are you gonna stay? Which one? You gonna fly?
No upcoming. I taught pretty cat. Mama.
His name is. We gotta give him a name because he got hurt. This one is a bright.
buddy.
Oh, sorry.
How funny, you got a bird. Came to work and you got a bird.
Just on time.
Don't know if you want it or not.